So guys, thank you all for stopping by on the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I am in the Westmoreland area. I'm gonna give you a tour in the Bluefields Park Beach. So I'm gonna show you how to get from Whitehouse town area to the Bluefields Beach Park, guys. So keep on watching. Yeah man, so we're at the Bluefields Beach Park. So guys, this is the place where you can come and enjoy the beach in the Westmoreland area, guys. Telling us a Jamaica nice, yeah man. So see the beauty of the Bluefields Beach Park, guys. Just a scenic peek and out. So guys, welcome to Bluefields Beach Park. Hours of operation 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Restroom $50 per person, as you can see. Yeah man, I tell you, see the place nice, you know. People them have view from all over the world. Just visit them place around the compound on vacation. Very nice area, guys. Very quiet also. But holiday time, you don't know, the beach have to ram up. As you can see, lifeguard is in the area, very safe also. Yes, my beautiful people, so you can keep on watching now. So I'm gonna take you from the Whitehouse area, still in Westmoreland, how to get to this beach park, guys. So thank you all for watching. Big up yourself, man. You and me attack, you know. Big up yourself. Thank you for stopping by onto the channel. Your True Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I am in Whitehouse in Westmoreland, the fishing village. If you make the left turn, we'll take you out to the fish market. Yeah man, so this is beautiful Whitehouse, guys. Very, very nice area. So tell me what you think about this town, guys. So today is not really a busy day. So thank you again for watching. Big up on yourself. Anyone I watch from yard or abroad, and big up on yourself. And I know say I'm the #1 tour guide. So guys, you can leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area. So we're on the main road in the Whitehouse area, guys, in the Westmoreland. So yes guys, trust me, if you build a house on top of the hill in the Whitehouse area, you get a nice beach view, very nice view guys. Westmoreland Beach Villa, yeah man, on your left, yeah man, so that is the Westmoreland Beach Villa. So guys, we're driving on A2 in Westmoreland. So guys, we're very close to the Whitehouse Beach Club, and you know the Whitehouse Beach Club is building a beach park on the left. So guys, if you buy a piece of property over there, you can go to the beach park across the road. Very nice area guys. So on your right you have the beach club, and on your left you have the Whitehouse Beach Club Park on your left. So guys, we're very close to the Sandals Whitehouse in Westmoreland area guys. On your left you have the Sandals South Coast, Jamaica, yeah man. Yeah man, so I have to look over some pothole in them area guys. Some very very dangerous pothole. So big up all of the UK people, them Canada, Antigua, Bahamas, Grenada. Big up everybody every person who's watching guy. Yeah man, here the police vehicle there come, so I have to give him away. So all of the guys them don't know this area guys. You come to Jamaica and you can have an understanding before you come to Jamaica how the area stay. Look on this trailer guys. Bird speed. I tell you some of the time, I tell you my people some of the time. We can't too careful upon the road because you see the other road users them just a name up the road and go, so we just have to ask the Lord to guide and protect us, you know, in our going out and coming in guys, because trust me, there's some really careless driver on the road, very careless driver. So guys, when traveling in this area at night time guys, be very careful. You have to look over some pothole in this area guys. I don't want you all to chop a tire in this area, because this area is a bit lonely. Not for long though. So we're in a bit of dark area guys. If you all know Holland Bamboo, this would remind me of the Holland Bamboo area guys. Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. So guys, on your right you have the Belmont Academy in Bluefields. So guys, welcome to Belmont in Westmoreland. So if you want your fresh fish to buy, you can come in this area on the seaside and get your fresh fish to buy. So, and we all know it's the Peter Touch Museum in this area, guys. So guys, on your left, this is where you have the Peter Touch Museum, guys, in this area. So guys, so this road take you out to the Bluefields Beach Park, guys. If you make a left turn, guys, will take you all to the Bluefields police station. So in case of anything, I don't want to report any incident, the police station is on the left. So guys, I'm gonna make a left turn. We'll take you all to the Bluefields Beach Park, guys. Yeah man, so this is how you get to the Bluefields Beach Park from the Whitehouse town area, guys. Yeah man, so we're at the Bluefields Beach Park. Yeah man, the road condition of the park area now total. Can you see the condition of the road? You need to fix the park. Condition is very bad. So guys, thank you for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.